The quiet town of Ifitedunu in Dunukofe local government area of Anambra State stood still as the remains of the late Frank Ejike Onuorah were laid to rest. Daniel Opai brings you the sights and sounds of the burial.
It was a gathering of kings, friends, and dignitaries who traveled from far and near to pay their final respect to a man many described as a pillar of the community. During the funeral service, Archbishop Augustine Nwodika, president and founder, Throne of Grace Church, Enugu, reminds the congregation of the fleeting nature of life. He urges all to emulate the late Frank's spirit of kindness and humility.
We should remember that our time is short here. We're just passing by. Nobody knows the date, nobody knows the time. It's an appointment we all have to keep.
As the body was lowered into the earth, the atmosphere was thick with emotion, but also with gratitude for a life well lived.
We'll be down on this side until the day that is compared to a sound.
I call him deputy controller. You can call him area commander. But to me, he was my dad.
Oh, I will miss that mama call. And I'll miss that sometimes midnight call that my tummy is something today.
Frank Ejike Onuorah was more than just a son of Ifitedunu. He was a devoted father whose impact resonated beyond the borders of Anambra State.
He's the best in-law on earth. It's sad that it's gone.
Ejike is an embodiment of beauty. When I say beauty, in heart, to his family, to colleagues, friends, and his children.
I've known Frank for up to close to over 10 years. He's been a very dedicated man, and we saw him slip away when the sickness was, and I saw how resilient my sister was. And there's nothing we can say, but we thank God for his life.
He left behind his wife, Ejike Onuorah, a former staff of NTA, but now with Naiti, children, in-laws, and host of other relations. Though he returns to the dust, his legacy remains etched in the hearts of the Onuorah family. From Ifitedunu in Dunukofe local government area of Anambra State, Daniel Opai, NTA News.